Hey everyone, this is Tech with Greg, and today I'm going to show you how to download any YouTube video. So first, you want to go to this link, which I'll paste in the description below, and you just want to download VLC Media Player for Windows. So once you download VLC Media Player and get it installed, just open it up, and then you want to press Control and N as in noob, and then paste in your YouTube link to the video that you want to download into this bar here, and then press play. And then now with our video loaded, all you want to do is press Control plus J for juicer. And then you get this information right here. Just double click it and then press Control plus C for cat. And then now you want to go to a new tab in your browser. And then you want to paste your link, Control plus V for Victor, and press enter. And then now you want to press Control plus S for salad. And then you want to save that. And then now you could click your video and you have downloaded a video. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I hope this worked for you. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.